This is the last week in the series on LeanLaw, and I wanted to give you some important and shocking statistics about legal tech and how many firms are actually implementing it. Because I've explored LeanLaw's benefits, I've explored its shortcomings, and it's been quite the journey on this series. But legal tech, including LeanLaw and Clio, is crucial for modernizing your law firm. It's not a step to be missed or cut, for sure. You really want to know that legal tech adoption, and you just have to go to Clio's report every year. They put out a Clio workflow report. You're going to know where we're at. So, or just go look at the American Bar Association. So the American Bar Association found that 82% of law firms are now using some form of legal technology. That's way higher than when I first started delving down this path of working with attorneys. It's way up. It's up from 2020, it was only 68%. And that was actually boosted by the fact that we had a pandemic. So it's really driven by client expectations. So clients expect to have a very modern flow. You really can't get that design and that legal specific type of invoicing out of QuickBooks straight up. You have to work it. It's a lot of manual steps. It's really not great. Clients want those digital invoices. They want the way to be able to click and pay online with an online payment. You're going to get a better adoption of payment on your invoices if you have that ability to pay online. Believe me, it's a barrier if you don't. If you're waiting for a check to come in the mail, you can't get more archaic than that. So having data-driven reporting using Clio or LeanLaw and using QuickBooks, you're going to have that benefit as well. And I think that a lot of times legal tech can increase your client retention if it's set up properly. You can tweak it to get that experience for your client that's good. You want transparency with your client. You want reduced errors and you want streamlined workflows. And that's all going to come from how you layer your legal tech. There's been a lot of investment in legal tech as well. The legal tech market grew 15% in 2024. It's pretty high. With companies, LeanLaw is one of them that raised some significant capital. And that's helped them grow and add to their firm, their team, their direction. So know that there's a lot of money being placed inside some of this technology. Clio raised a lot of money as well. Really look at the efficiency that you'll gain by having technology added to your stack of software, starting with your base. Clio is your foundation. LawPay put out a study in 2023 that said law firms using legal tech like LeanLaw and then use those electronic invoice payments were paid 70% faster and reduce their billing errors. That's a pretty high statistic too. A lot of times I see that law firms are a little bit hesitant getting paid by a credit card or getting paid electronically. And it really is, you're really losing money if you have to spend money to get your money by mailing out things and following up with phone calls. If you have that link to pay, clients are more apt to pay right away. So I think in today's world, for attorneys that want to modernize their workflow, legal tech is no longer optional, it's required. Whether it's LeanLaw for your billing or more broader case management tools packaged into software like Clio, really embracing technology ensures you meet those client demands. You're going to improve your profitability and you're going to stay ahead in 2025 and beyond. So if you're still on the fence, you might want to look at the Clio Trends Report, see all the details of why you need to add this software. So I hope this is helpful. I hope you enjoyed this series and we'll see you all next time. Bye.